Hello guys, good morning. Today is December 23rd, Monday. It's a good day. Maganda yung panahon. Doing my morning cardio, fasted, just had coffee. So, ayun. As you can see, the last time I did this was way back last year, October. And we all know, guys, I was really fat, out of shape. Pero I persevered, and ayun, I'm currently down 20, sub 20 body fat percent, and still doing more, putting more effort into everything I do, especially sa fitness. I mean, planning to compete. It was supposed to be this year. It was supposed to be my year 2024, pero didn't happen. And ayun nga guys, pero for as long as you're alive, you're healthy, and kicking, everything's possible naman. So nasa Bulacan ako ngayon. Ayan, as you can see guys, just doing everything I can. Ayun,